Today I'm going to tell you about two most easy yoga exercises which have a lot of scientific significance to help reduce your belly fat so quickly, because I have achieved amazing results with these very exercises. You don't get a flat belly unless you work for it, but these exercises are so easy you can actually do it just sitting in bed. I'm going to show you these exercises and they're super easy, super fun and super effective, even more effective than the gym equipment that you use. Often a hanging belly and these protruding tires from all sides has often become a sore point for many, whether they want to fit into a dress, look nice, or just have a good body positive image. All boils down to how you look, whether you're lean, slim. The first impression, they say, often is the last impression, but that doesn't stop there. Besides that, it also brings along with it many other technical problems like medical issues. If you have a big belly, it also leads to other internal matters like diabetes, cholesterol, hypertension, then other hormonal disorders. It just doesn't stop there. So for that very reason, you should definitely try and lose that belly fat. Especially when I bring to you two easy and simple yoga exercises which many people have now started modifying and using in daily usage, because these very yoga asanas and exercises have had amazing results. So easy that you can just do it sitting in bed. Let me show you these exercises. So before we begin the exercise, I'm going to show you a very effective warm-up, and before that I'd like to know in the comment section, all of you watching this very video, come on now, comment and tell me that since when have you been facing this problem, and since when have you started seeing that your belly fat is just so stubborn it wouldn't budge. Now come on now, comment below and let me know. So this easy exercise, you just have to sit like this with your back straight, your spine straight, your core tucked in tight, and let's do a warm-up. First we're going to do a neck exercise. Look up, look down, stretching your spine. Let's do a sideways stretch. Now let's twist backwards. So early morning is actually the best time to do these very exercises. Especially when you've just woken up, just freshen up a little, go to the toilet. Absolutely empty stomach is the right way to do these very exercises. That's it. We're just going to do this as well. And now we're all set. I'm going to teach you the first exercise, which is actually called the Naukasana. So you have to breathe in, go all the way up, then come down, breathe out, try and touch your hands to the toes and go all the way back, spine straight, then back again. You have to complete one round like this. You have to exhale when coming out, inhale when going in. Let's do it together. So if you think sitting on the floor is a little difficult for you and not that easy, then you can just do this exercise sitting on a bed. I'm sure you have a bed. The main purpose of this exercise is to get your limbs moving and to get you into an active mode. As you can see, this exercise is targeting the central belly and the side belly area here. Have a look. Let's do it together. Go all the way back. Keep your spine straight. We are going to do about 15 counts. 3, 4, 5. Your toes pointing inwards. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If you can't go all the way back, never mind. Just do it as it is, and slowly and steadily you will also achieve this level. Let me show you how to do it backwards now. And now we're going to do it backwards, like this and like this. Take it all the way from below above high like this. This rowing action is super effective for your central belly area and focusing, targeting on all the right points to tone and tighten your belly area. You don't have to do it very fast. Go at a certain pace so you can feel the tightening of your muscles around the belly area. Your toes should be pointed inwards. So for the next exercise, you have to sit in this pose. You have to split your legs as wide as you can, make a V shape, put your toes in, and your legs should be absolutely straight without bending your knees. In fact, even your elbows shouldn't be bent. We have to pretend there's a big wheel over here which we have to move. First from left to right and then from right to left. The breathing should be normal. You should just inhale and exhale, and you have to do it this way. Don't bend your elbows so you can make a big circle. And then you will suddenly feel the tightening, toning, the stretching of your muscles all along your belly area. This is not just targeting your central obesity, but also the side belly fat, the love handles. This is a super easy and super effective all-in-one exercise. I'm expecting all of you to do it along with me. So now let's do it the other way around. As big as you can. You can even do this exercise twice a day, but make sure there's a gap of at least 2 hours between your meals and these exercises. Excellent, so proud of you. As you can see, I'm already sweating because this exercise is super effective and it's definitely going to help you burn your belly fat. Now, those people who have lower back problem, who have any sort of back problem, please consult your doctor before doing these exercises. So you can actually do about 20 to 30 reps of each exercise at a beginner level. When you reach the advanced level, you can easily do about 50 reps of each exercises. That's the level I achieved, and that's how I get a flat belly. So if you want to achieve that too, be my guest. Play along the video and do these exercises every single day. Eat clean, stay healthy. That's very easy to do. This exercise is definitely going to give you a boost and help you lose all that weight around your belly area. To stay connected, you can actually connect with me on my Instagram, Facebook page and ask all the queries that you have. It also brings along with it many recipes which I post on a daily basis. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this very video because this is what is the real deal. Also hit the bell notification so you can get to know the video I post absolutely immediately the moment